What is popping, garage gamers? It is your man, Dong Pollock here, back with another garage cooking review. Today, we're gonna make some garlic bread. Alright, let's go over the ingredients first. So, we have some garlic, then some bread, and some garlic, and some cheese, and then some garlic. Garlic? Oh no! Where did our garlic go? Man, looks like we're gonna have to buy some more at the store. Alright, let's go, garage gamers. Alright, garage gamers, we're gonna go to the store now. Hopefully they have some garlic in stock at my local convenience store. Let's see.
Hello?
Yeah, I'd like to buy one garlic.
Okay,
$2.
Okay. Here's your garlic, sir.
Alright, here are my $2.
Okay. One. Okay, I lost count, I'm sorry. One.
You know what? I can't take this anymore. Give me the money! Give me the money! Let's go! Go!
What's wrong with the manager?
I'm calling the police.
Hello, 911. I would like to report a robbery.
Oh man, why were the cops still chasing me? I said timeout.
Hey, kid. What? I see you're pretty good at getting money there. How about you get me some? Come on. Here's a
What
weapon.
do you want me to...
Things over there. Come on. Would you rather be broke or go to jail?
I mean, I guess. Alright.
Hi, welcome to SunTrust Bank. How may we help you?
Well, hello there. I would like you to open that vault, please.
You want me to open the vault?
Yeah, you have the count of 3 to open that vault.
Yeah, we can't do
3,
that without proper authorization.
2. Alright.
Hey! Thunder PD! Get on the ground! Put your arms for ready seal! Hey, you can't take our money.
This
Yeah,
is
that money.
evidence.
That's our money.
Alright.
Hey.
Alright, buddy, you're going away for a long time.
I'll be back, garage gamers. Don't
Come on, quick, move faster. Hey, you! Recreation's over. Get back in your cell. Now, what to do with this bag full of money?
I can dispose of it.
Okay, Officer Kraus.
Alright, garage gamers. It's been 4 years. This prison's awful. There's this creepy old lady that's been watching me the whole time. I don't know what to do. I think it's time to bust out. I have an ingenious tunnel right here. We're about to go through.
Oh, hey.
Oh, it's you.
You finally made it out. Here's your half back. Getaway driver's right down there.
Alright. Yeah, I heard about you. Got some garlic for your troubles.
That's right.
Let's go.
Alright, garage gamers. We've escaped from federal prison. I think we should make our garlic bread. So, we'll start with the bread. You know we gotta add some cheese. You know, some garlic. Some garlic. More garlic. More of that good cheese. Just put some garlic in there. Throw this bad boy on there. Now we take it to the stove. And we let it cook for around 6 hours. 8, 9, 10. Alright, garage gamers, it's been roughly 6 hours. Let's check on our garlic bread. Oh, you can see, it looks delicious. Let's just take it right. Oh, it's hot, 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 hot. Ah, and as you can see, we have our beautiful garlic bread. Man, was that delicious. Well, that was my recipe for garlic bread, and you know what? I'll see you in the next video, garage gamers. You moron, you buffoon. Did you really think there would be bloopers in this video? This whole thing was one take. In fact, there weren't even any edits. This was perfection. You will never see something as great as this.